Hi Arnav, did you read the chapter from the Diary of Anne Frank?
Yes, Reena, it was so touching. Anne was just 13, but her writing was so deep.
Exactly. Anne Frank was a Jewish girl who wrote a diary while hiding during World War II. She and her family lived in the Netherlands, but they had to go into hiding because of the Nazi occupation.
Her diary is called The Diary of a Young Girl. Her father, Otto Frank, was the only one from the family who survived. He published the diary after the war.
Do you know why Anne said writing in a diary was strange?
Yes, she said it was strange because she had never written anything before. Also, she thought no one would be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old girl.
Musing means thoughts or ideas. But now the whole world reads her diary.
Yes, she started the diary because she had no real friend. She had many people around her, but she could not confide in anyone.
Confide means to share your deep feelings. So she decided to get things off her chest by writing to a diary.
Exactly. She even gave her diary a name, Kitty, and treated it like a friend.
She also gives a short sketch of her family. Why do you think she does that?
Because she wanted Kitty to understand her better. So yes, she treated Kitty as an insider, like a close friend.
She talks about her father, who she really loved. She calls him the most adorable father. She also loved her grandmother very much and missed her deeply.
Yes, and her school head mistress, Mrs. Cooperus, made her cry when they said goodbye. Also later we see that she respected Mr. Keesing, even though he was strict.
Now let's talk about Mr. Keesing. Why was he annoyed with Anne?
Because Anne talked a lot in class. He gave her extra homework, an essay titled, A Chatterbox.
Anne jotted down the title and thought hard. She wrote that talking is a student's habit, and her mother also talks a lot. So maybe she got it from her.
Yes. She tried to come up with smart reasons to show it wasn't a bad thing.
Do you think Mr. Keesing was very strict?
At first, yes, but later he became fun. After reading Anne's funny poem, he even shared it with other classes.
That shows he was a bit unpredictable. Just like Anne said, teachers are the most unpredictable creatures.
So true. He even stopped giving her extra work. He started making jokes instead.
Let's look at some of the expressions Anne used.
Sure.
Number 1. Get something off your chest. It means to share what's bothering you. Number 2. Jot down. It means to write quickly. Number 3. Emigrate versus immigrate. Emigrate means to leave your country. Immigrate means to come into a new country. Number 4. Plunk down. It means to drop something suddenly. Anne was plunked down like a gift. Number 5. Make up for. It means to do something nice because something else was missed. Number 6. Quake in boots. It means to feel very scared or nervous. Number 7. Not to lose heart. It means to keep trying, not give up. Number 8. Get along. It means to have a good relationship. Number 9. Catch your eye. It means to attract your attention. Number 10. Have had enough. It means to be very annoyed or tired of something. Number 11. Come up with. It means to think of an idea. Number 12. Plunge in. It means to start doing something suddenly. Number 13. Ramble on. It means to speak or write for too long without a clear point. Number 14. Hand in. It means to submit work. Number 15. Laugh yourself silly. It means to laugh a lot. Number 16. Can't bring yourself to do something. It means can't force yourself to do something.
So, what did Anne write in her first essay?
She wrote about being a chatterbox. said it was natural, and promised to control it. Then she wrote another one, an incorrigible chatterbox. And the third, quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox.
That last one was a funny poem about ducklings being punished for quacking too much. Her friend Sanna helped her.
That poem made Mr. Keesing laugh, and he never gave her extra homework again. That's how Anne won his heart.
Anne once said no one would care about a 13-year-old girl's thoughts, but she was wrong.
Yes, her diary has touched millions of hearts. It shows her wisdom, humor, and emotions, even during a dark time.
She teaches us to speak honestly, love deeply, and keep writing, even when no one's watching.
Thank you, Anne Frank, for giving a voice to so many who couldn't speak.